Do you got waves?
I put my heart on my lips. I gave it all I could give. I made it hot at the crib. I kept that fire at the crib. Where you gonna go when you do? How I'ma know for real?
Let me grab like 2. Is this really mine, bro? MCM designer durag. Wow, I like the way it's built. It's built like a typical designer durag. I like the materials, it's pretty strong. Okay, it's built and stitched together right, like a regular, designer durag. If you ever had one, if you hadn't had one, get one. You know what I'm saying? Get one. I'm gonna leave a link to these durags in the description of the video. Also, with my link, you get 10% off of these durags. So if I was y'all, I'd do that. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Let me try this on real fast. I think I like it, bro. It's pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? This is dope. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this for my jean jacket, bro. Thank you. Like this. Alright. What's the next one right here? Ooh. Now this one's sick for real. This is Vlone. Trying to figure out what this smells like. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like something.
It smell good.
I don't know what it smells like. It smells like something. But let's look at this drag. Okay. Alright. I want to see how this is gonna look on my head. This is built nice, just like the other one. I like the build quality of these durags. I really like the build quality of these durags for real. Like these are not anything that's gonna like rip real fast. You know what I'm saying? These are some nice quality durags, and you know what I'm saying? I got these at a good price. Like I said, if you all want to cop these, click my link in the bio, 10% off. But yeah, I had to try them out before I promoted them or anything. You know what I'm saying? Let me make sure this is right for y'all. This is nice. I ain't gonna lie. I like the build quality of these durags, and they're not, you know what I'm saying, the cable is not too long, so you're not gonna be looking goofy. These strings are not too wide, and they're not too narrow. Let me get y'all a better look. But yeah, this is not bad, bro. Let me try this on real fast. So. Ooh, boy, I'm finna be saucing, bro. I like this for real. This is nice. This is nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. Shout out to Bake Vendor. That's who I got these from.